In this video, we will show you how to lock any app with a password on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra if you want to keep apps like Gallery or social media completely private and protected. First, open the Settings app on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Scroll down and tap on Security and Privacy. From there, go to More Security Settings and select Secure Folder. Now, you'll need to set it up. Sign in with your Samsung account if asked, then create a pattern, PIN, or password to protect the secure folder. Once the secure folder is created, open it from your apps list or from the secure folder menu. Inside the folder, tap Add Apps. Then select the app you want to protect, for example, Instagram or more, and tap Add. The selected app will now appear inside the secure folder. After adding the app, you'll still see the original version of that app in the regular app drawer. To keep it private, uninstall the original app from the app drawer. But before you do that, make sure you remember your account login information. Next, if you want even more privacy, you can hide the secure folder completely. Tap the three-dot menu in the top corner and enable Hide Secure Folder. Whenever you finish using it, tap Lock and Exit so the folder stays protected. And lastly, if you want to remove any app from the secure folder later, simply tap and hold the app and uninstall it from inside the folder. That's how to set a password for any app on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra using Secure Folder. We hope this video helped you out. Thanks for your time.